Today we're going to study the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions, and we will concentrate we'll focus on the derivative of arcsine x, no? Particularly the arcsine x. So the formula for that one is equal to 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared, where this x here, the absolute value of that should be less than 1. So for the first problem, we have three problems today. For the first one, we have here y is equal to arcsine x cubed. So y prime is equal to the derivative of arcsine x cubed, and that will be equal to the derivative of this x cubed here over the square root of 1 minus, applying this formula here, 1 minus x cubed times quantity x squared, and that will be, so the derivative of x cubed here is 3x squared, and this one here, we will simplify this one, that will be equal to 1 minus x to the 6. So this is our answer for number 1. For number 2, the difference is the square root of this one. So y, the given is y is equal to square root of arcsine x. So y prime or dy over dx is equal to the derivative, the d over dx of square root of arcsine x. So that will be equal to, so we transform this into the exponential form, and that will be equal to arcsine x raised to 1/2, no? The square root of this one. So to continue, we have here 1/2, no? To bring down the exponent. So square root of arcsine, arcsine x raised to negative 1/2, no? The square root is negative 1/2. We subtract 1 to 1/2 here. So after that, we get the derivative of arcsine x, this one here. So this one, we bring this down to the new denominator. So this will become 1 over 2 square root of arcsine x, no? Times derivative of x here over square root of 1 minus x squared, no? So to simplify, 1 over 2 square root of arcsine x times quantity 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. So this is our answer, no? The final answer is 1 over these two, the product of these two here, 2 times square root of arcsine x times square root of 1 minus x squared. So this is our final answer. So for our last problem here, we have here y, the given is y is equal to the quantity x minus 1 times the square root of 2x minus x squared plus arcsine x minus 1. So y prime, this we apply the product rule for these two here. So y prime is this term here, square root of 2x minus x squared, times the derivative of the first term. We're applying the product rule, plus the first term here times the derivative of the second term, which is square root of 2x minus x squared. And we also get the derivative of arcsine x minus 1. So this one, continuing, we have here 2x minus x squared raised to 1/2, no? You change this to exponential form. The derivative of x minus 1 is 1, plus x minus 1, the derivative of this one, changing to exponential form, and finding the derivative, we get here 1/2 times 2x minus x squared. So we subtract 1 to the exponent, that will become negative 1/2. So the And then we get the derivative of this term here, that is 2 minus 2x, no? Plus, the derivative of sine x minus 1 is 1 minus the quantity of x minus 1, quantity squared. And then, excuse me. So, we simplify the whole polynomial here. So, 2x minus x squared raised to 1 half plus, no, x minus 1, no, times 2, no, the derivative of 2x minus x squared is 2 times quantity 1 minus x, no, over 2 times quantity 2x minus x squared raised to 1 half, no, plus 1 over square root of 1 minus this one here, no? 1 minus 1 over square root of 1 minus quantity x squared. We expand this, x squared minus 2x plus 1. So we continue here, 2x minus x squared raised to 1 half plus, so we cancel out 2 here. So what is left is x minus 1 times 1 minus x, 1 minus x, no? So we multiply, no? Expand this, the factors here. So x times 1 is x. X times negative x is x squared. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative x is x. Over, no? This one here. 2x minus x squared. Just copy this one, no? And this one here, the third term here. So get rid of the negative sign in the parentheses. That will become 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared plus 2x minus 1. Simplifying further and getting the LCD to be 2x minus x squared raised to 1 half. No, this will be our LCD for the three terms. So the first term, 2x minus x squared, plus the second term, x squared, no, negative x squared, 2x minus x squared minus 1, and the last term to be 1, no? So this one is 1 minus 1. What remains is 2x minus x squared. So this is our LCD. We combine all the three terms on the numerator. So what remains is combining this whole polynomial here. What remains is this one becomes 2x plus 2x is 4x. Negative x squared plus negative x squared is negative 2x squared. And we cancel negative 1 plus 1, cancel 1. So that's 0. What remains is 4x minus 2x squared. We copy the LCD to be 2x minus x squared quantity raised to 1 half, no, is equal to, we factor out 2. What remains is 2x minus x squared over, just copy the denominator, which is 2x minus x squared raised to 1 half. So our final answer, since this is 1 half, we bring this up to the numerator. So this one is 1, no? So the numerator is, the power of this numerator here is 1, no? So since we want to bring this up on the numerator, 1 minus 1 half, no? What remains is 1 half, no? So the final answer is 2 times the square root of 2x minus x squared. So this is our final answer. Since we subtract this power here, no, this term here, 2 minus x squared, no, x squared, 1 minus 1 half. So what remains is this one, no? So that's it, no? That's how we're going to solve these inverse trigonometric functions for sine, no? So thank you for watching, and again, I want to enjoin you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so as to continue having this kind of problems. And please click also that bell icon. No? So thank you, and see you again later.